Planes from escort carriers patrol the surrounding seas and shield him from enemy bombers. Later on D-Day and afterward, planes operating from these floating airfields will give him close air support, staying until airfields have been built and shore-based planes brought in. Battleships and cruisers will serve as heavy artillery for the troops, clearing the beach and smashing fortified shore positions. Days before the infantryman hits the beach, the spearhead of this overwater expedition goes into action, hundreds of miles ahead of the objective. This is the Naval Covering Force. Vast carriers, vast battleships, cruisers, and destroyers. Carrier planes and battleship guns furnish the striking power to take and maintain command of the sea and air. Carrier planes beat down enemy air strength on distant fields, sink supply and troop ships, spiking possible reinforcement attempts. Before the landing, the covering force thrusts deep into enemy waters to smash any attempted interference by the enemy's fleet. This force is G.I. Joe's insurance that the enemy he meets on the beach will get no help from home. The function of sea power in the overseas advance becomes clear on the day of attack. Battleship, cruiser, and destroyer guns pound the enemy's defenses. Planes from the floating airfields bomb and strafe defensive positions. Rocket ships plaster the beach. Minesweepers clear the way. Underwater demolition teams blow up beach obstacles.